the edge of the universe. Can we ever reach it? Imagine looking up at the night sky and knowing that beyond the twinkling stars, there might be an edge, a boundary, a point where everything ends, or perhaps where something entirely new begins. Does the universe truly have an edge? And if it does, from ancient myths to the most advanced telescopes ever built, the search for the universe's edge has been one of our most ambitious and mysterious quests. What lies beyond? For thousands of years, humans have tried to grasp the shape and limits of the universe. At first glance, the universe appears infinite. But in science, infinite doesn't always mean truly without limits. It often means beyond what we can observe. This is what scientists call the observable universe, the portion of space whose light has had time to reach us since the Big Bang. Its radius, about 46.5 billion light-years in every direction. Beyond that doesn't mean there's nothing, only that the light from those regions hasn't reached us, and may never will. That's because space itself is expanding faster than the speed of light, placing most of the universe forever out of our reach. So the question remains, is there a real edge? Is the universe like an expanding balloon or an endless ocean? If that's true, then the edge of our universe might be the entrance to a greater reality, one we may never comprehend. Even if we could travel at the speed of light, which is currently impossible, we still couldn't go beyond the observable universe. No matter how advanced our future spaceships become, we are locked inside a cosmic bubble that only extends as far as light has traveled since the dawn of time. Not because our technology is lacking, but because space itself is stretching faster than light. There is no edge you can touch, no border you can stand at and say, this is the end. But there is a limit to what we can observe, a horizon beyond which we will never see, never touch, never reach. Cosmologists propose three possible shapes for the universe based on the curvature of space-time. Travel far enough in one direction, and you'd eventually end up where you started. A space with no end, where human imagination can journey endlessly, even if our bodies cannot. A universe like this has no edge, but is finite in total size. 1. Closed, like the surface of a sphere. 2. Flat, meaning the universe can expand infinitely with a perfect balance of gravity. This model matches most current observations. 3. Open, shaped like a saddle, in which space keeps stretching endlessly. If any of these models is correct, then the universe doesn't have an edge in the traditional sense. No physical wall, no cosmic end-of-the-road sign. But there is one more mind-bending possibility. The multiverse, the idea that our universe is just one of countless others, each with its own laws of physics. Can humans ever reach the edge of the universe? Technically and biologically, not anytime soon. That means there are regions of the cosmos that will forever remain unreachable. So, does the universe have an edge? Not like a wall or a physical barrier. And perhaps that's where the true beauty lies. That beyond the limits we cannot cross, the universe keeps its greatest secrets. In that emptiness and uncertainty, one truth remains. This quest is far from over, and perhaps it never will be.